crispy, golden brown baked chicken. We're going to make it ourselves. And we're also making a Waldorf salad.
Welcome to Cooking Lessons. From now on, I'll show you the best tips and tricks for your kitchen. So let's cook something nice together and turn you into a pro.
Here we have chicken thighs. And the crazy thing is they're boneless right away. We can prepare them like this. We just need to season and bread them. And the Waldorf salad consists of just a few ingredients: apple, celery, crème fraîche, salt, pepper, and a little vinegar. First of all, we want to prepare the Waldorf salad. I'm going to cut these celery slices into fine strips, like a julienne. And this works really well with a vegetable knife. I've already set up a bit of water for the celery. Now we're adding a little salt. And we're going to blanch the celery now for our Waldorf salad. It's a much more pleasant meal. Bring it to a boil, then take it out right away, rinse it, let it drain, and then we can continue. So, we're going to cut the apple into similar strips as we just did with the celery. However, we don't need this apple blanching. It will be processed right away. We're going to put our apple strips into a bowl now. Next, we'll add our blanched celery. And normally a Waldorf salad always has a bit of chopped walnuts in it. Unfortunately, I have to opt out today because I have a walnut allergy. Instead, we're going to add our crème fraîche on top along with salt and pepper. An additional little acidic component, the white balsamic vinegar we mentioned earlier. Now we're going to mix it all together into a salad. So that looks pretty good already. If you like, you can also add a few mandarin segments in there. I think this is really good right now. Just trying it out. Fresh and crunchy delicious. Let's continue with the chicken. An original Viennese fried chicken is cut into 6 pieces. Specifically, 3 pieces from the breast and 3 pieces from the thigh. Since this is just the upper thigh and the lower thigh is missing, I'm just going to halve the pieces. Then we have a similar result. And these pieces are now being seasoned with salt and pepper. Season quite generously. If you like, you can also add a bit of paprika powder at this point, or chili flakes. We want to keep it all natural today. And in American cuisine, these pieces are also marinated in buttermilk for a day. Today we're making the quick version. Our little breading station consists of flour, an egg with a bit of milk, and breadcrumbs. And here I've decided that we're going with the Asian style today. Panko flour gives us a lot more crunch, and now we're going to coat our seasoned chicken pieces in the flour a bit. Then dust it in the egg. And straight into the breadcrumbs. Lightly breading, I'm perfectly fine with that, and we'll do the same with all the pieces, and then they'll be baked right away. I have already heated our vegetable oil in the high-rimmed pan, and a good tip to check whether it is the right temperature is to simply put a wooden spoon in it. And the moisture in the wood creates little bubbles, which is perfect. Don't let the oil reach its smoke point. In there, we're going to bake our chicken pieces until they're crispy. Just throw them all in and fry them until they're golden yellow. Please take a look at this. Isn't that genius? Delicious. A dish can be this simple, and you don't have to go to a fast food place for it. You can also make this almost or quickly at home. Just 2 or 3 more minutes on the other side. And then we can already invite everyone to the table. And when they're this deliciously crispy, oh my God, I'm already drooling, we can take them out now. A little tip, always place them on a kitchen towel so that the excess oil can drain off a bit. And then we just need to arrange our crispy chicken pieces on a pre-warmed plate. The Waldorf salad is right next to it. Delicious. And for everyone who doesn't believe it, I'll bring the microphone in pretty close. Crispy and, I suspect, juicy. Delicious. Try it quickly. Can you hear me crunching? Delicious. And so easy and quick to make. Not a problem at all. And please subscribe to our channel. Bye. See you soon, your Calle. If you enjoyed this video and want to take your culinary skills to the next level, be sure to check out this next video. It's packed with even more tips and tricks that will help you become a master chef in no time.
And don't forget to subscribe to Cooking Lessons for more delicious content every week. It's easier than you think.